So this is an arm bar and an overhead sit-up. We're gonna pair them together to just build some control over the shoulder in some different directions. So I'm gonna start with a dumbbell. I'll show you how you can progress it. So I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna go with my left arm here. So I'm first gonna just get this kind of nice and centered, slightly externally rotated, so dumbbell here. And then I'm gonna roll to my side. And what I'm trying to do, it's gonna look on camera like I'm not doing a whole lot, because I'm just trying to keep this nice and stable as I roll. And so my body's moving underneath my shoulder blade. What I want to not happen as I roll is I don't want the arm to way fly back. I also don't want the shoulder to pop forward. I just want to keep that locked in and roll. So I'm gonna do that for 5-10 reps. And then I'm gonna do a sit-up where I'm trying to keep this same thing locked out, pressing the ceiling, and then back down. So often, if folks have painful shoulders coming overhead or out to the side, if we go at it in a different way, where it's not the arm moving, but the body moving under the arm, we can get some nice strength, some endurance, and we can reduce some pain. To make that a little harder, we can get a kettlebell. This is the same weight, 15 pounds, but I'm gonna hold it upside down. So now that wants to shake and wobble, and my body has to control it, and I'm gonna do the same thing. You can see now I have to have a little bit more control as I move, because that kettlebell wants to jump around on me. So that's our arm bar and overhead sit-up.